How to fix computer turns on but no display on Windows PC. To fix computer turns on but no display on Windows PC, try 1. Ensure your monitor did turn on and check the power cable and display card port as well. 2. Check display cable connection. 3. Check any recently installed hardware, such as RAM, remove it and power on your PC later. Furthermore, clean the RAM, install RAM correctly, use the same RAM. Check and change boot order in BIOS, reset it if needed. 4. Disconnect external peripherals. 5. Google the specific beep in your PC, if possible.